Hi, I'm Ray. This is my vegetable garden, and this channel is all about growing your own fruit and vegetables, along with some DIY projects. But today, we're going to harvest the leeks. So let me show you what we're going to do. So one way we can tell if your leeks are ready by the size of them. If they're around 1 to 2 inches thick, then there's a pretty good chance they're going to be ready for harvesting. These leeks have been in the vegetable garden since July, and now they're ready to come out. And I find them really interesting, the way the leaves form as they do. Very interesting. So what do we need? Well, normally leeks are a bit too dug down to be able to just pull out. So we need a bit of a helping hand. So we need to go and get the fork. So we may be able to have a hand fork and dig down and give it a pull. And there we go. But if they're too deep, then we can use a regular fork. We just lift the soil up and pull. And we can shake the rest of the soil off. Not so bad. So we're just going to go through the rest of these, pull them up, leaving the soil in place. They're pretty big. So this is our harvest of leeks, and pretty much of them are looking good. So very pleased with them. So we're going to wash these off and tidy them up. All washed, ready to be topped and tailed. So all we do to prepare our leeks is we chop off the roots. We do this on the allotment plot, as it saves any mess when we get home. And we peel off the first few leaves. And this leaves a nice clean stalk. Then we take the other end and we chop the leaves off. And there we go. One prepared leek to take home and store or use in our soup for our dinner later today. So I'm going to continue with the rest of these, and we'll get on and have our dinner when we get home. So thank you for watching, and do you grow leeks, and do you harvest them and prepare them the same way? Let me know. Leave me a comment in the comments below. Be interesting to see. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe and ring that bell. That'd be wonderful. So that's all for now. Thank you very much. Cheers.